It's just a bit confusing.
Okay. Now you tell me what are we supposed to do from here?
We will take we will basically open the bracket first. So it will be 4 divided by 5
Hiba, we
multiplied
have
by
already
x.
done this question. Do you remember? We did it in the last class.
Yeah, but I still got confused.
Okay, then.
And plus 4 by 5 multiplied by 10.
4 by 5 multiplied by 10. Okay. Next.
So we can write 10 by 1.
10 by 1. Okay, fine. Write 10 by 1.
So then we have to find the LCM.
Hiba, are they being added here or they are being multiplied here?
Multiplied. Oh, sorry.
Then
yeah.
do you have to find LCM?
No.
So you can just do this. Next. Then what do we do? What do we do next?
We bring 4 by x to the other side. Like
4 by
x minus 4 by 4x by 5.
Okay. X minus 4 by 4x by 5. Okay. Is equal to
40 by 5.
40 by 5. Okay. Then
we will 1 minus 4x.
1 minus 4x. I have written it as 1 by 1. Why? Because here you have to subtract. This is basically 1, right? You have to subtract 1 minus 4 by 5. How will you do that? You need to make this a fraction as well. So you will make this a fraction. Okay?
Okay.
Then
it will be 5 by 5 minus 20 by 5.
very good. No, not
Is
20 by
equal to
5. 5 by 5 minus 4 by 5. Na?
No, sorry, 4 by 5.
Why will you change 4 by 5? So what is 5 by 5 minus 4 by 5?
It is 1.
1 or 1 by 5?
Sorry, 1 by 5 is equal to
1 by
40
5.
by 5.
Is equal to 40 by 5. Okay, then?
And then we will bring 5 to the other side. We will multiply. No.
So what will it become? X is equal
to? X is equal to 40.
Very good. So X is equal to 40. Hiba, if you find fractions a little bit problematic, say.
I have a doubt in the checking part.
In the?
Like, I don't know how to do the checking part. In this question, we have to check the checking part.
Okay, we'll get to that. Yeah, we'll get to that. Just a minute, Hiba. So there is another way of solving this if you want to avoid this fraction wala part. Okay, there's another way. See, Hiba, you can see this by 5, right? What we can do is we can just send this by 5. We can send it over here because it is being divided, hai na? Just like you can send For example, if you have x is equal to 2a, let's say, okay, then you can send this 2 to the other side, है ना? It becomes x by 2 is equal to a. You can do this. Similarly, if you have x by 5 equals, let's say, 4, let's say, then you can send this by 5 to the other side, right? है ना, Hiba?
Yeah. But like
Yeah.
4 by 5
So,
are one term and they're being multiplied
no.
by x and 10.
See, 4 by 5 can also be, it's not like it's bound together. They are one term, but it's not bound together, right? Let's say if it was 4 plus 5, you cannot separate them. You cannot separate them because 4 plus 5 is like it's bound together because of this plus sign. You cannot separate them if they are being multiplied with, let's say, some other bracket over here. Okay, then you cannot separate them. But if it is something like 4x is equal to 4 plus 5, then you can separate them because they are free. They are not bound by anything. Okay. Similarly, over here, let's say if you have x 4x by 5 is equal to, let's say, 3, then you have two options. Either you can say 4x is equal to 3 into 5. That means you sent this 5, only the 5 to the other side. Okay? The other way is you can send the entire thing 4 by 5 to the other side. So it becomes x is equal to 3 into 5 by 4. The multiplicative inverse of 4 by 5. Okay? So these are both the ways. इसमें हम क्या कर सकते हैं? X is equal to 3 into 5. Then अब ये 4 को हम नीचे लेकर जाएंगे by 4. So you see it's the same answer in both the ways, whichever way you choose. So what I'm trying to say is you can take this 5 also to the other side because it is being divided. If it was 4 plus 5 into x plus 10 or 4 minus 5 into x plus 10 or into whatever, then you cannot take this 5 away because it is bound with 4. In case of multiplication and division, it's not bound. If it was 4 into, let's say, 7, you can take this 7 also. Are you understanding now?
Yeah.
So another way of doing this is you can take the 5 to the other side and this becomes 5x equals 4 times x plus 10. Everything else remains the same. Just the 5 went to the other side. है ना? Just look at the 5 like this. If you want, you can bring it. Again, you can bring it to the denominator. Understood?
Yeah. So like, is this one more easier or the one we did?
I'll tell you how it's easier. Then what happens is you open the bracket. It becomes 5x equals 4x plus 10. Okay? So
Then
then,
5x minus
40.
4
4x plus 40, sorry. So 5x minus 4x equals
is equal to
40.
40.
X equals 40. Same answer. Yes?
But how is 5x minus 4x is equal to 40?
But say, what is, if you take 4x to the other side, what are you left with?
Okay, I understood. 5x minus 4x is 1x, so x is equal to 40.
Exactly. Yeah, just a second.
Okay.
ठीक है. समझ में आ गया हिबा?
Yeah.
Okay, next question. Which one did you not understand?
The eighth one.
8th one. 2x by 3 plus 1 equals 7x by 15 plus 3. Okay. So here you have to
No, wait,
identify the
I
x
understood.
term.
I understood this question, but not the ninth one.
Okay, 9th one. Two y plus 5/3 equals 26/3 minus y. Okay, what did you not understand in this picture? It's very
There
similar to
is
the previous one.
there is
Minus y.
minus,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. See, so here we have 2y. Here we have minus y and plus 5/3 plus 26/3. So bring minus y to the other side and take this 5/3 to the opposite side. Okay? Can we do this?
So like when minus y comes to the other side, it becomes positive, right?
Very good. Yes, positive y. Because
Okay,
minus
I can do
y.
the rest.
I know. Yeah. So this y is being subtracted or added or multiplied or divided. It's being subtracted. So when it goes to the other side, it will become plus. Okay?
Okay.
All right. You can do this by your own on your own now.
Yeah.
All right. Any other questions?
No.
No other questions. Okay. We have to start exercise 2.5, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do the first one. X by 2 minus 1 by 5 equals x by 3 plus 1 by 4. So first let's identify the x terms. This is the x term and this is the constant term. Yeah. Now
So
what do
we
we
will
do?
bring all the like terms together.
Yes, very good. So we will bring x
X
by
by
3.
2. Yeah, x by 2 minus x by 3
Very good.
is
Then
equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5.
very good. Now x by 2 minus x by 3. See, there are two ways of doing this again. Either you can say x into, you can take x common, okay, and say 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Or the other way is you simply do 2 and 3 का LCM क्या होता है हिबा?
Why are you bringing x to the other side?
Which I'm not bringing it to the other side. I'm taking it common from these. I'm telling you that there are two ways of doing this. Okay? One and the other one is over here that you can just do it like this. In LCM 6 hota hai. So 2 into 3 is 6. So x into 3 is 3x minus 2x. Okay, so this becomes x by 6. This is also one way and this is another way कि आप x को common ले लें. It's totally up to you. Which one do you want to do? This one or this one?
The second
First or
one.
second? Second one? Okay, fine. Then we can erase this. ठीक है? Now let's solve the RHS. What's the LCM of 4 and 5?
4 and 5, 20.
20. Then
So it will be 5 plus 4 by 20.
very good.
And then x by 6 is equal to 8 by 20. So 9 by 20.
But 9 by 20. What is x equal to?
9 by 20. No, sorry. We will multiply it by 6. 9 by 2
Very good.
multiplied by
Yes.
6.
Can we
And
cancel
then
something? 3 twos are
we can
not 3 twos,
cancel.
sorry. Is there anything common between 6 and 20?
Yeah, it is in three. No, not 3 7. It is in two stable.
Very good. So 2
3 by
3s
10.
are and 2 10s are very good. So what is 9 into 3?
27 by 10.
27 by 10. So x equals 27 by 10. ठीक है?
Okay.
अच्छा हाँ हिबा, you were, sorry I forgot, you were having a problem with checking, है ना?
Yeah.
See, इसको चेक कैसे करते हैं? आपका x is equal to 40 निकल गया. Now you put this 40, you put it in the original equation. So this is called checking. Putting x equals 40. What is the LHS? LHS क्या बन जाएगा?
40.
LHS
Which is
is equal
x,
to
so x is
40.
equal to 40.
And what is RHS?
4 by 5. So
Into
multiplied by x plus 10.
x क्या है हमारा? 40, right?
Yeah.
What is 40 plus 10?
It is 50. So we can cancel 5 and 50.
Yes, and that becomes?
So then x, sorry, it becomes 40. So LHS is equal to RHS.
Very good. LHS is equal to RHS. ठीक है?
Okay.
Next question पे आए. I think you will be able to do the second one. Will you?
Yeah.
Look at the second question.
Actually,
Third
the
question.
third question, yeah, third and fourth, it is kind of confusing.
Fourth is also very easy. Chalo, okay, let's do the third. Let's do the third one first. Second one is your homework. Please mark it. X plus 7 equals, oh sorry, x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 equals 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. ठीक है? Now the first thing to do, Hiba, always, what is the first thing to do?
Like if something is common.
First bring the like terms together. Okay?
Yes, we'll bring the like.
X minus 8x by 3. Now what will you do about this other like term?
Plus 5x by 2.
Very good. Now the rest of the like terms or the constant terms, what are they? 17. I have written the equal to sign in between. Okay.
17 by
17
6.
by 6. Then
plus 7.
Plus.
Oh, sorry, it is minus because we bring it to the other side.
Yes. Now we have to solve this. First solve the LHS. LHS क्या हो जाएगा?
Isn't 8 and 2 common? So can we cancel 8 and 2?
Hiba बच्चे, are they being added here or multiplied here?
Oh, sorry, it is being added.
देखिए बच्चे, remember
it
this.
will be
जो LCM लेना होता है ना हमें, LCM लेके जो जो करना होता है, सॉल्व करना होता है, that happens in adding or subtracting. Okay? और जो हमें कैंसिलेशन करना होता है, जो हम कैंसिलिंग करते हैं, that can happen only in multiplication and division. ठीक है? मल्टीप्लिकेशन. ये बात आपको याद रहेगी?
Yeah.
अब बताएं.
16 plus 10 by 6.
Tell me step by step about what is the LCM.
The LCM of 3 and 2 is
देखिए, first
6.
of all, write this as 1 by 1. Okay. 6. Okay. Then
I think it will be 6x minus 16x.
yes, 6x minus
16x plus 10x.
Not 10. 2 into 3 is 6, right? So what is 5 into 3?
15x.
यहाँ तक क्लियर हुआ आपको?
Yeah.
ठीक है. Equals. Now the RHS, इसको भी हम by 1 लिख लेते हैं. ठीक है. LCM.
LCM will be 6, so it will be 17 minus 42.
Very good. 42. Hiba, you have to get quicker at calculations, okay?
Okay.
अच्छा, अब आप इसको सॉल्व करें, इसके न्यूमरेटर को और इसके न्यूमरेटर को. What is the numerator here? 6x minus 16x plus 15x. So अब आप ये बताएं मुझे कि first let's do 6 plus 15, या फिर ऐसा करते हैं, what is 6 minus 16? What is 6 minus 16?
6 minus 16 is minus 10.
Very good. Minus 10. So this becomes minus 10 plus 15. What is minus 10 plus 15? Think of it as 15 minus 10. है ना?
It is
plus 15 minus 10.
It is positive 5, but
ठीक है. 5x by 6 equals. Now tell me what's the right hand side.
minus 25 by 6.
Minus 25 by 6. Okay. अच्छा हिबा, मैं अब आपको एक छोटी सी बात बताऊंगी. अब इसके बाद आप क्या करने जाएंगी? What will you do now? You will take this 6 to the other side. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I will tell you something. There is a shortcut that if you have दोनों जगह same denominator दिख रहा है ना, you can just cancel it like this. दोनों जगह same denominator है and like कुछ और नहीं है. For example, अगर यहाँ पे कुछ और fraction होता, 7 by 3 for example, let's say, तो आप इसको cancel नहीं कर सकते. But if it's just like this, only these two things are there, then you can cancel it. And if you ask me how, why can we do this, then the thing is simple. क्या हो जाएगा ये? 5x equals minus 25 by, this is 6, right? By this 6 multiplied by this 6. ठीक है, ये वाला 6 इधर आ गया है ना? Are you listening?
Yeah. So we can also we can cancel 25 and 5.
Yeah. So basically, yes. So basically this 6 and 6 will get cancelled. तो इसीलिए हमने क्या करा कि हमने पहले ही इसको कैंसिल कर दिया. without taking it to the other side. हमने shortcut, this is basically a shortcut कि हमने 6 and 6 को ऐसे ही cancel कर दिया. And the same thing you can do with 5 कि x equals -25 by 5. आप 5 को इस तरफ लेकर आएंगी. A shortcut that I will apply is that I will just say कि 5 और 5 को मैं यहीं से cancel कर दूंगी कि x is equal to -5. समझ में आया आपको? अगर if it's too much for you, अगर आपको लग रहा है कि भाई ये शॉर्टकट मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा तो कोई बात नहीं, बट ये डिनोमिनेटर वाला शॉर्टकट आप अप्लाई कर सकती हैं. एंड so we can cancel it from here. X equals -5.
-5.
ठीक है, क्लियर है?
Yeah.
Fourth question.
Yeah.
Do you want to solve the fourth one or the fifth one?
The fourth one.
Fourth one, okay. X minus 5 by 3 equals x minus 3 by 5. Okay. Nothing complicated here. You just have to take 3 to the other side, take 5 to the other side. ठीक है? X minus 5 and x minus 3. Here you have 3 and here you have 5.
But I didn't understand.
Okay. You have these 4 things. Okay. हमें क्या करना है? We have to make it free of all denominators. है ना? So this 3 will go to the other side, yes or no?
But how will it go to the other side?
हिबा, अभी तक आपके पास ऐसा था x. Let me give you an example from this. This one, 4 by 5. Is 5 को we took it to the other side, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, let me show you in the previous thing also. हाँ, ये x by 3 है. x by 3 है ये. इसमें ये 3 आपने दूसरे साइड पहुंचा दिया. देखो, this is what you have done, right? So that's the same thing that we are doing over here. We are taking this 3 and putting it to the other side.
Why can't we write like x minus 5 by 3 minus x minus 3 by 5?
उसमें बच्चे फिर आपको LCM निकालना पड़ेगा, फिर आपको सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. You have to find the LCM. That's a lengthy process. Let me show you both of the methods, okay? Let me show you both of the methods. जो आपका method है वो करते हैं. X minus 5 by 3 minus x minus 3 by 5. अब आप चलो LCM निकालो. Equals what? Equals what? Tell me that quickly.
15.
Equals 0. राइट हैंड साइड में 0 आएगा ना. जब ये इस तरफ चला गया, पूरा का पूरा माइनस हो गया, तो दिल भी 0, राइट?
Yeah.
हिबा?
Yeah, so the LCM will be 15.
LCM is 15. Next. आगे बताइए क्या होगा?
How will we take like how will we solve x minus 5 multiplied by 5?
5 bracket x minus 5 minus.
Minus
Tell me next.
1 bracket x minus 3.
1?
No, sorry, 3 bracket x minus 3.
ठीक है. अब बताइए न्यूमरेटर में क्या हो जाएगा?
It will be 5x minus 25 is equal to 3x minus 9.
Is equal to?
By 15. Sorry,
Is
minus
3x minus 9. What is this?
3x positive plus 9
Acha. Divided by
is equal to
15.
0.
अच्छा अब एक ही मुझे बात बताइए कि can we send this divided by 15, can we send it to the opposite side?
Yeah,
Yeah, so it will become 0 multiplied by 15, right?
yeah,
And 0 multiplied by 15 is what?
15.
0 multiplied by 15 is
Oh, sorry, 0.
0. ठीक है, अब आप मुझे न्यूमरेटर का बताइए, न्यूमरेटर क्या हो जाएगा?
Um,
What is 5x? हिबा आप मुझे पहले ही बताइए, what is our next step going to be? We will bring the
we are
like
going
terms
to
together, right?
we will bring the like terms together.
क्या बन जाएगा फिर ये?
5x minus 3. Sorry, 5x minus 3x.
फिर
Minus
25
25.
plus 9.
But why are we writing minus 25 and 9 together? They're not like, they don't have
They're
x.
not like terms. They're not like terms.
But most of the time we write like x and y to x together with the other x, and then
बच्चे
the
अभी right now they are both on the same side of the equation. That's why we are solving them. सॉल्व करने के बाद फिर हम उनको दूसरी तरफ भेज देंगे. जैसे हमने 15 into 0 कर दिया तो हमें 0 मिल गया. ठीक है,
okay.
अभी इसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं पहले. 5x minus 3x, जल्दी बताइए.
2x
2x. Now minus 25 plus 9, what is that?
um 16 minus 16.
16 और minus 16 is equal to 0. अब आपका ये काम है कि आपको minus 16 को you have to send to the other side. What does it become?
Positive
2x is
16.
equal to positive 16. So x is equal to 16 by 2, and that is
X is equal to 8.
8. Now let me tell you, जिस तरीके से हम कर रहे थे, जिस तरीके से मैं कह रही थी आपसे करने के लिए. Okay, अभी right now just forget about this. Don't look here. Okay. हाँ, what was I saying? कि you take 5 to the other side and you take 3 to the other side. 5 और 3 को opposite side में ले जाएं. How will that be? X minus 5 multiplied by 5, because यहाँ पे 5 divide हो रहा है तो यहाँ पे multiply हो जाएगा. ठीक है, and then is equal to x minus 3 multiplied by 3. Again because 3 is being divided here, तो यहाँ पे जाके multiply हो जाएगा. यहाँ तक clear है?
Can you explain one more?
Okay. See, आपको ये तो पता है ना कि we take stuff to the opposite side. जैसे यहाँ पे 5x मल्टीप्लाइड में था, उसको ऑपोजिट साइड में ले गए तो वो डिवाइड में आ गया है ना.
Yeah.
इसी तरह यहाँ पे look at this over here is being divided on the right side of the equation. It's being divided, तो हम उसको opposite side में ले जाएंगे तो it will get multiplied. What will it be multiplied with? It will be multiplied with x minus 5. तो दो साथी हो गए यहाँ पे. There are two partners. 5 is being the partner of x minus 5. So 5 and x minus 5 will become partners. When you send the divide by 5, when you send it to the opposite side, they will become partners. They will become 5 multiplied by x minus 5. Now, same thing if you take 3 and send it to the opposite side, it will become partners with x minus 3. They will both get multiplied. Clear?
But why do we have to send them to the other side?
Hiba, why can't we send them to the other side? First tell me that. You have to get rid of this 3 and this 5. First you tell me, जो अभी मैंने आपसे कहा करने को, can we do it or is it something that is new? कुछ नया कर रहे हैं हम? Can we do it?
We can.
We can, right? So we are doing it because we can do it. Okay? So we send 5 to the other side and 3 to the other side. So this becomes 5 multiplied by, or you can say in other words, x minus 5 multiplied by 5. ये वाला 5. ठीक है? Equals x minus 3 multiplied by this one, this 3. ठीक है? Let me show you. I think you might be getting confused because of this. Let me show you another example. Let's say you have x by 5 equals, let's say x by a. Okay? Okay. So you can say there are two ways of doing this. You can say x by 5 minus x by a equals 0. या फिर हम इस x और इस a को separately treat करें और हम ये कहें कि भाई we can send this a to the other side of the equation. This can become x by 5 into a equals x. और फिर ये हमारा जो 5 था, this also we can send to the other side. We can say x into a equals x into 5 because this 5 went to the other side. अब आपको ये clear हुआ थोड़ा बहुत?
Yeah.
पक्का?
Can you explain the right part once more?
Which part? From here to here?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me show you with one more example. Let's say you have x equals x plus or 2x plus 3 by 5. Okay? यहाँ तक ठीक है? Now अभी 2x plus 3 जो भी है right now हमारे लिए it's not of huge interest. I am just going to take this over the other side. X into 5. This 5 I have taken to the other side. X into 5 equals 2x plus 3. ये हमने किया है. यहाँ तक ठीक है?
Yeah.
Because this 5 is being divided here, when it goes to the other side, it becomes multiplied. Cool? Fine. Hiba, clear?
Okay, I understood this part. Yeah.
You understood this part. Okay. So the same thing we have done over here as well. That we have sent this a to the other side, to the left side, and it became into a, multiplied by a. And we sent the divided by 5 to the other side, it became multiplied by 5. Is it clear? This thing?
Yeah.
Hiba?
Can you hear me?
So that's, yeah, I can hear you. That's the same thing that we have done over here, okay? समझ में आया आपको?
Okay. Yep.
Okay. So now let's solve it. LHS को हम solve करते हैं. X minus 5 into 5. So क्या हो जाएगा ये? X into 5 is 5x minus 5 into 5 is
25.
25 equals आगे का आप मुझे बताते जाइए क्या लिखना चाहिए मुझे.
3x 3x minus 9.
ठीक है. Now you can do the same thing. You can bring the 5x and 3x, and you can bring the minus 25 to the other side. तो अब आप 5x और 3x को एक साथ ट्रीट करिए जरा. What will it become? अब मुझे क्या लिखना चाहिए?
5x minus 3x is equal to
Very good.
minus 9 plus 2, 25.
Very good.
Then
Now
it
can
will
you solve?
become, yeah, it will become 2x 2x is equal to 16 by 2, and then x is equal to 8.
2x is equal to 16 by 2 नहीं बच्चे. 2x is equal to 16. X is equal to 16 by 2 is equal to 8. So you see how this method was a little bit shorter than the other method.
Yeah.
है ना. तो जब आपके पास इस तरह से कोई क्वेश्चन आए तो प्लीज इसी तरह करिएगा कि सेंड द 5 टू द अदर साइड. ठीक है. नाउ लेट्स से
Can
इफ
you
यू हैव समथिंग. हाँ.
can you show a similar example like this question?
Yeah, we will do the questions. ये तो ये वाला fourth question. If you want, you can take a screenshot of this.
Okay, I've done.
Now let's. एक minute. All right. Let's do the sixth one. ठीक है.
In the fourth question, did we like cross multiply it?
Yeah, it's called cross multiplication.
Okay.
जो हम यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं it's the same thing जो हम यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं. ठीक है ना. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन ही है. चलो ओके. सिक्स्थ वन. m minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. ठीक है. Now the thing is, over here you cannot send the 3 to the other side. Why? Because अभी 3 जो है ना वो LCM मतलब it's not common for the entire RHS. अगर ऐसा होता like this, then you can send the 3 to the other side. So it will become this entire thing multiplied by 3. It will become like that. But since the 3 is not common for the entire RHS, then you have two ways of doing this. Again, either you can do m minus 1 by 2. Now you bring this thing to the other side. So it becomes
Positive.
plus m minus 2 by 3 and then equal to 1. Yes, Hiba, you're saying something?
No. I was just saying
The
the answer.
other way of doing it is this. m minus 1 by 2 equals. अब हम इसमें LCM ले लें. 1, sorry. So this becomes 3 minus m minus 2. Bracket लगा दिया हमने. ठीक है. So over here also you have to take LCM. So in this method you have 2m minus m minus 1 equals 3 minus m plus 2 by 3. So here this becomes 2m minus m plus 1 by 2 equals 3 minus m plus 2 by 3. So then you can solve this and then again what you will have to do is 2m minus m क्या होता है m. 3 plus 2 क्या होता है 5. So it's basically 5 minus m. Now again you will have to do the same thing. इस 3 को आप opposite side पे ले जाइए and ये जो हमारा 2 है उसको भी आप opposite side पे ले जाइए. So it will become ऐसे हो जाएगा. 3 multiplied by m plus 1 equals 2 multiplied by 5 minus m. Okay, then you can solve it. But if you want to do it in this way कि आप पहले m minus 2 by 3 को इधर लेकर आइए, you can do that also and then you will have to find the LCM. ठीक है?
The first method is a little easier.
This one, this method?
Yeah.
Or this one? Okay, fine. So continue हिबा, बताइए कैसे करना है.
So the LCM of 1, 2 and 3 will be 6. So it will be 6m minus 6 bracket m minus 1.
6?
No, sorry.
Or 3?
It will be 3. 3.
Then?
Plus 2 bracket m minus 2 is equal to
equals 1. Now can we send the 6 to the other side of the equation? Yeah?
Yeah.
यहाँ पे भी आप वही कर रहे हैं ना, you are sending it to the other side by multiplying it. So how come you're not getting confused over here but you're getting confused over here?
Can you repeat it again?
बताइए. I am saying कि यहाँ पे भी the 6 is in the denominator and you are sending it to the other side of the equation by multiplying it. So how come you're not getting confused over here but you are getting confused over here? Because यहाँ पे भी हम same चीज कर रहे हैं. If you see very carefully, here also we are doing the same thing. बताइए कहाँ पे confusion आ रहा है आपको? How? What is the difference between this and this?
Like I don't understand why we have to do like the cross multiplication when we can just simply like subtract or add them.
Okay, you are thinking that addition and subtraction is simple, but I just showed you that if you do the cross multiplication, that is more simple. समझ में आ रही है आपको बात? अब जैसे यहाँ पे भी here also you are taking 6 to the other side, aren't you? You are taking 6 to the other side. So here also you have to take 2 to the other side.
I understand the second method.
How is it that this is different? You understood this?
Yeah.
Okay. So here also what I was saying is here also you're doing the same thing. You're sending 2 to the other side. But यहाँ पे आप क्या कर रहे हैं कि आप यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक नंबर नहीं दोनों साइड से you are sending it. 2 को भी send कर रहे हैं and 3 को भी send कर रहे हैं. That's what we are doing. ठीक है? Anyway, so let's continue our this calculation. बताइए. 6m minus 3m.
3.
Continue करिए.
3m 3m plus 3 plus 2m minus 2 so is equal to 6. Sorry, minus 4.
So is equal to 6 कैसे आया? हाँ.
We both
is equal to 6 कैसे
side.
आया? Because you sent exactly. Very good. So that's the same thing that I was telling over here also. चलो continue. Then यहाँ पे अब हम क्या करेंगे? Like terms. ठीक है?
6m minus 3m plus 2m plus 3 minus 4 is
हम्म
equal to 6.
अब 3 और 4 को दूसरे साइड पे भेज दीजिए ना. अब तो हमारे दूसरे साइड पे एक साथी है, 3 और 4 का साथी बैठा हुआ है दूसरे साइड पे. हम 3 और 4 को भेज सकते हैं उधर. समझ में आई बात?
But in the fourth question, we didn't send it to the other side.
We didn't send to the other side because यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर में 15 was there बच्चे. 15 is there in the denominator. जब तक ये हमारा डिनोमिनेटर क्लियर नहीं हो जाता, तब तक we can't send anything. Now what is happening here, we don't have any denominator here. We don't, like, the denominator is 1, right? Here the denominator is all clear, nothing is binding them. Here they are being bound by this denominator, so nothing is binding them over here, so we can send the 16 to the other side, and that's what we have done. Maya?
No, I
No?
didn't understand.
Fine, don't worry, just do
Like,
it like this. Plus 3 minus 4 equals 6. ठीक है, continue. Continue Hiba.
like if we bring 3 minus 4 to the other side, or if we don't bring it to the other side, like the answer will be same, right?
Yeah, it will be the same.
Okay.
See Hiba, in this chapter you're going to face a lot of decisions. Okay, the thing is, you just have to do what's right. Whether you do it this way or you do it that way, your answer is going to be the same, as long as you are doing the right thing, as in you are not making any mistakes. For example, अगर आपको कहीं पे ऐड करना था और आपने वहां पे मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, तो ये तो गलत हो गया है ना. So as long as you know the rules, you can choose any method you want. Just like I showed you that almost in every question, you have many ways of doing things. Like even in this question, there's one way over here, one way over here. You can choose any way you like, as long as you're not making any mistakes. ठीक है ना?
Okay.
चलिए, अब बताइए मुझे.
It will be 5m. 6m minus 3m plus 2m, it will be 5m.
5m.
Then when we add 3, will it be like, will we include m in it?
बच्चे 3 के पास m है क्या कहीं? Is it 3m or is it just 3?
It is just 3.
So what is 3 minus 4?
It is -1.
-1. ठीक है. Now tell me one thing. Are -1 and 6, are they like terms? They are both constants, right?
Yeah.
So we can send this with the other thing, yes or no?
Yeah.
वही तो करना होगा, so that we can keep the 5m on one side and everything else on the other side. That is the same thing that we were doing over here, बच्चे. That's what I was telling you कि 3 को and 4 को other side पे ले जाओ. अब the thing is, अगर आप अभी ले जाओ या बाद में ले जाओ, it's the same thing. It doesn't really matter. बट अगर आप पहले ही ले गई होती तो आप RHS में पहले ही कैलकुलेशन कर चुकी होती, आपका एक स्टेप बच जाता. That's all. So it's all about shortening your calculation.
But can you explain why we didn't do this in the fourth question?
Okay, fine. Fourth question. This one, right? You are saying 5x minus 25 minus 3x plus 9 by 15 equals 0. अब आप मुझे ये बताइए, अब आप इसमें क्या करना चाह रही हैं? चलिए, टेल मी, व्हाट शुड आई डू नेक्स्ट? 5x minus 3x. अब क्या करूं मैं? 25 को दूसरी साइड भेज दूं?
But why do we have to bring it to the other side?
we have to keep the x free, right? हमें this is something that we have been doing since last year, that जब हम ऐसे expression solve कर रहे होते हैं, so x should be on one side and everything else should be on the other side, right?
Yeah.
बताइए
So
अब क्या करना है मुझे?
is
Remember,
equal to
the whole thing is being divided by 15.
wait.
हाँ
So
बताइए.
what if we write? What if we bring 15 to the other side? Then it will be 0.
Then it will be 0. But first, then what you do is, see Hiba, you have to do step by step ना. अब 15 को आप other side पे पहले ले जाओ, या आपको पहले इसको sort करना है पहले. What do you want to do first? First sort them out.
Bring 15 to the other side.
Fine, you want to bring 15 to the other side. So let me just remove this into 15. ठीक है, now it's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, अब आपको क्या करना है? Now you want to send this to the other side. 25. Yes.
Yeah.
Is
So
that what you want to do?
yeah.
So equals 0. ये तो 0 है हमारा. This thing is 0.
Plus
Plus
25 minus
25
9.
minus 9. ठीक है. Then 2x equals
Eight.
8.
Sorry.
25
16.
minus 9 is 8. 16. So
16.
same thing ना Hiba, we are getting the same thing. आपके आंसर में बिल्कुल भी चेंज नहीं आएगा. इट्स जस्ट दैट हमने यहाँ पे ये वाला काम बाद में किया था जो हमने पहले ही कर लिया है. 15 को अदर साइड में हम बाद में लेकर गए थे. दैट्स द ओनली डिफरेंस दैट हैज हैपेंड. दैट्स व्हाई हमने इसको बाद में. See, eventually you have to send it to the other side. It doesn't matter कि आप उसे पहले कर रहे हैं या बाद में कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पे हमने उसको पहले इसलिए नहीं सेंड किया था because we had this 15 was there in the denominator. It was not letting it go. It was saying, bro, I am there in the denominator. You have to take care of me also. So first, in this scenario, what we did was we first sent the 15 to the other side, and then we did this. Over here also we did this only. कि हमने 15 को other side पे send किया, and then we sent this to the other side by solving it first. It doesn't matter whether you solve it first and then you send it, or you send it first, like here, and then you solve it. Understood?
Yeah, I understood now.
Good. Now 5m minus 1 equals 6. Now tell me, what do we have to do now?
5m is equal to 5 because 6 minus 1.
6 minus 1 होगा या 6 plus 1 होगा? Look at this carefully and tell me when it goes to the other side, what will it become?
No, aren't we doing it like, isn't 5m minus 1 like an equation?
Hiba, 5m minus 1 equals 6. You have to send this 1 to the other side. This 1 is being subtracted over here. So when it goes to the other side, it will become...
Oh, sorry, addition.
हाँ, then यहाँ पे क्या confusion हो रही थी आपको?
I did 6 minus 1.
But why? That's what I'm asking. 6 minus 1 क्यों आपने सोचा? आपने ये क्यों नहीं सोचा कि यहाँ पे 6 plus 1 करना चाहिए?
I got confused.
Now the confusion is cleared?
Yeah.
Okay.
So 5m is equal to
5m equals is equal to 7.
So
m
m
equals
is equal to 7 by 5.
7 by 5. ठीक है.